My name's Rob Anderson, illusionist here in Las Vegas. I just met John Lou and Run, and we're going to do a little bit of magic for them right here at the Eiffel Tower. I've confirmed you two are dating. How long have you two been together?
Over
5, 6 months, years?
years.
5, 6. Oh, wow, congratulations. A long time. That's good. That's very good. Let's talk about that. You went on some of your first dates 5, 6 years ago, and you got to know each other, started falling in love with each other. I want to talk about that. Maybe you held hands. Let's talk about holding hands here for just a second. In a moment, you're both going to hold hands. But yeah, here you go. I want to hear just in a moment. You're right. I'm going to have you take your hand and put it just like that. That's perfect. Just right here. Run, could you take your right hand and go like this for me? That's perfect, just like that. We're going to do a card trick here. We'll do this with the 3 of spades. I'm going to lay this here in your hand. Run, we're going to bring your hand in, and it's going to go on top so that it covers that. And you're holding hands, perfect. Like on those first dates, holding hands, falling in love with each other. We'll use another card here for this. Let's just say we use the 9. 9 of hearts. Hearts are good. We're talking about love. It's better for you two to have the hearts. So let's talk about that. You felt some love on those dates. You might feel this in a second too. Just tell me, do you feel that? Yes? Yes? Yeah. Do you feel that right there? Yes? Yeah. Did you feel that? Look. Yes. They've got the hearts. That's a better card for you to have. Much better card for you to have, I think. Yes. Let's do it. She wants me to do it again. Let's do a better one. Let's do one even better. How about that? How about that? You dated for 5 years. At some point, you realized you really, really like each other. You really did fall in love. Maybe you started calling each other fun little pet names. I don't know much Chinese, but here in America, people say, "Oh, baby, sweetheart." Sometimes like they call each other king and queen, and I don't know if you do that, but just for tonight, I want you to think. You look so great, by the way. Look at the suit he's got. It looks better than I do. It's amazing. You look great. You have this beautiful lady right here, this incredible view. You should feel like a king, my friend. You're the king for this next trick. This next trick is all about our king, John Lou, right here. Just go pick out any card. Take any card, anyone you want. Anyone, that's perfect. Take it out, memorize it, show the camera, show Run, don't show me. Now just say stop anywhere you want. Right there? Put it back on top. Look, I don't know what it is or where it is. I know it's somewhere near the middle. Just imagine this though. If I could reach in here and take out one card, turn it upside down, and then put that card back in the middle of the deck, that would mean that there's one upside down card in this deck of cards right now. That upside down card, in that case, would be the 5 of diamonds. That was wrong. That's not a face that says I did the trick right. That was wrong. It's okay. It's okay. 5 of diamonds. That's an indicator card. That's all that is. That indicates that I was wrong. We didn't do it right. It's okay though. It's okay. We're going to go down. This is going to indicate if we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. Hopefully we find the 9. Whew, good. All right. 9 is, that was the right face. That was the face I was looking for. That's good. That's good. That's good. Well, thank you. But that's not the cool part because I said this trick is all about you right here, our king. Right? That's why.
Check all the cards.
Why don't, sure. Why don't you check these?
Okay.
Look at these. Turn them over with me. Yeah, turn them.
Okay.
They all represent our king right here. This trick was all about you. So let's check them all. Check them really good. Check them really good. Let's talk about, so we've talked about the king. That would make her your queen. Let's talk about Run. You're going to be the queen for this part. I took the queens out of here. I laid them on the table. I did something special with them. Don't touch yet. We're going to show you in just a minute. I've done something special with one, a prediction that I made about you two. You're going to work together on this. We're going to see how compatible you are. I see you looking at each other. You look compatible. You look very compatible together, all right? You're both going to work together. I've predicted this in advance. I've laid these on the table since before we started. I'm still not going to touch them until after this. I'm committed to the prediction I've made. Again, 2-part trick here, dealing with your compatibility. You'll be first here, Jolly, okay? I want you to picture the queens, hearts, diamonds, spades, and clubs, 2 red and 2 black cards there. Imagine those on the table, picture them, and then imagine if I removed one color from the table. I'd like you to tell us in a clear voice, which color do you imagine me removing, red or black?
Black.
Gone. Whew. There they go, leaving only the red cards laying on the table. Visualize those. The red cards are hearts and diamonds. Run. This is your part right here. We're going to remove one more card, leaving only one on the table. Visualizing hearts and diamonds on the table. Imagine me removing one more from the table. Which one do we remove, heart or diamond?
Heart.
Heart.
Oh. I like diamond.
Okay. Oh, so do you want to leave the diamond here?
Yeah.
So we're going to remove the heart from the table. We're going to get rid of the heart. Whew. There's a diamond laying on the table. You worked together to choose one card, the Queen of Diamonds. I predicted one card. I thought the one you would say actually would be the Queen of Diamonds, so I left it there. It's the only one I turned upside down before we came here. I took it out of a completely different deck of cards from all the others. And you remember, we removed all the other cards during the trick. When we removed those other cards, we really did. You can turn it over with me. Do it with me. Run, turn one over. We removed all of the other cards.
I should check all the cards at the very beginning.
Now you're too smart for me. Now she's wising up to me. You're too smart, Run. No more card tricks. We're going to step this up. We're going to do one more and then a big finale, okay? Let's talk about you two and the memories you've made together, because you've made a lot of memories over the past 5 years, shared a lot of happy times. I'd like you both to think about a time that you both felt happy together. Could be anything at all. Don't tell me. I'm not going to try to figure this out. This is just something for you to know. I'd like you to think of a happy memory, and I'd like you to think of a happy memory and look into each other's eyes and allow yourself, just allow yourself to connect with each other when you think about a happy time you shared together. It could be anything. You don't even have to tell each other what it is. Just think about a time you felt happy with each other. The reason I'm having you do this is sometimes when people are connected over happy memories, they can form like a sixth sense, like a special bond where someone just sort of knows something that's happened with someone else. Like maybe something happens with you and you know about it, John Lee. And something might happen with you and Run, you might just know about it. I don't know if you felt that way. But I'd like to try to make it happen for you tonight. Create this sixth sense between you. It's going to make sense in just a minute, okay? Your eyes will stay open for this entire thing, Ron, okay? Charlie, I'd like you to close your eyes just for a moment. We won't do anything funny, I promise. Just close your eyes and focus. Focus. She's funnier than me. Just focus on these happy memories. I want you to feel connected with each other just for a second here. And while you're doing that, we're going to move a little bit of this happy memory energy around between the two of you. Okay, here's what we're going to do. No touching. I'm just going to remove some of this energy from over here where you're at. You're thinking these happy thoughts, and we're just going to take that here, and we're going to place it right over here. And that's as weird as it gets, I promise. We're going to do it one more time. We're going to do a little energy transfer here. We're going to move some of this energy from over here where you're at. We're going to take this, and we're going to move it over here, where you're at right here. But we're going to do this too. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. I want you to be honest. Well, your eyes were closed just now.
Yeah.
Thank you for not peeking. Did you feel anything touch you while your eyes were closed?
I feel
A little bit. No, did I touch him?
No.
No, but did I touch you?
Yeah.
Hold on. Where did you feel something touch you?
Here?
Oh, where did I lightly touch you? Really? But I didn't touch him.
Yeah.
But I touched you, and you felt it.
Ja.
Whatever this...
She thinks higher.
She thinks it's lying. No, it's magic. It's magic. Whatever that memory was you both shared, I want you to talk about it later. You can tell each other what the memory was later on, because obviously it's a good memory for you both. It's a really good memory that you shared. Well, it's almost time for me to get out of here, but let's talk about gifts really quick. Let's talk about gifts. Gifts are very important to give when you care and love someone. Maybe there's a gift that you'd like to give to Run tonight. I don't know what it might be, but I want you to think about something happy. Could be anything at all. Ron, maybe you'd like to receive a little gift tonight? Something small that would fit inside this little empty pouch here, okay?
From the restaurant.
Sure, or actually from your special guy right here. In fact, let's do this. Hold your right hand up. I want you to place your hand down inside there, okay? Jelly, that's empty, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. I want you to turn your palm up like this and imagine a gift appearing in your hand. Can you imagine that appearing in your hand? Yes?
Yeah.
You can actually almost feel it appearing in your hand, can't you? Yes?
Yeah, I feel something.
You're watching very closely. Then whatever that is, I would like you to give that to her.
여러분 하지 마세요. 뭐야? 이해했어.
아니 너무 힘들어.